to prepare crispy potato wedge. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. We'll really appreciate. Remember to click the notification button so that you get my content every time I post. Use potatoes since it's the main ingredient. You can use a potato peeler or a knife, it's just okay. Let's get to the next step. I'll wash them. Set them aside. I'll slice. As you can see, potato wedge is big and thick compared to chips. That's the difference. For chips, it's a bit small or slightly small. Here they are. I'm going to transfer them in my tin. My potatoes are here. And if you're wondering why there are many, it's because I had prepared others earlier. And for the next step, I'm going to boil for about 5 to 7 minutes. Ensure that it does not get soggy. I'm going to add water in my cooking pot. Then I'll add some salt. Stir. Then I'll add my potatoes. Then I'll cover. They're ready. I'm going to drain the water and set them aside. In this step, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of cornflor, half tablespoon of black pepper, a half tablespoon of cinnamon, a half tablespoon of ginger, some food color, it's optional, you don't have to use it. I'll mix everything together. Then I'll add some water as I mix. My mixture is ready. To my potato wedge, and mix them nicely. It's good to go. So I'll pick one wedge, dip in my mixture, then I'll coat it with breadcrumbs. And then I'll set it aside. You repeat the same process. Our wedges are ready for deep frying. Cooking oil is ready, so I'm going to add my potato wedge. Our potato wedge is ready. I'm going to remove them and serve. Guys, here is our potato wedge. You can see how crunchy it looks. You should try it out and let me know how it will turn out. Remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.